Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to view your design history in Canva so you can track changes and restore previous versions of your work. This feature is helpful when you want to undo edits or go back to an earlier version of your design. On your Canva dashboard, to check your version history, simply choose a project to open it. Let's open this sample project here. Once we are inside the project, we will go to the File menu in the upper left corner. From here, we just need to click on Version History. As you can see, we can now view the version history. We can undo changes by clicking on any of the versions listed. We can go back to whichever version we need, and that's how we can view our design history in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now we can easily manage revisions and keep our project on track.